Hello everybody and welcome to the Tellow Family Kitchen. We're wrapping up our theme of French style cooking. Hope you had a chance to see our last episode where we made a cheese souffle, and today a classic dessert that pairs perfectly with it, creme brulee. Creme brulee is French for burnt cream and consists of a rich custard base topped with a layer of caramelized sugar. Like many French recipes, just 5 simple ingredients: heavy whipping cream, pure vanilla extract, eggs, sugar, and salt. So the first thing, we'll bring 2 cups of heavy whipping cream to a simmer in our saucepan. There's 1 cup and a 2nd cup. Now that it started simmering, we'll take it off the heat. Next, we'll do 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. There's 1, 2, and then mix that together. Already smells very good. Now time to work on our egg yolks. Got an extra bowl over here. Kind of drain. Kind of get that drained, and then there's 1. Then if you want, you can keep the whites for like a meringue later. And to our yolks, this is ½ a cup of sugar. We'll put that in. Don't worry if one of them broke, we're going to mix it anyway. And then just a pinch of salt. And then mix this all together. Okay, next we're ready to start adding in our heavy whipping cream. We'll add a little bit at a time slowly, and then keep whisking this while we do it. It's good to do it this way because if you add it in all at once, it could kind of make it almost like scrambled eggs. It's pretty good. Next, we're ready to add our mixture here to our measuring cup. I'll just use a funnel to help me pour it in. I'm not going to pour all of it, just maybe about half of it. Then we're ready to add our ramekins here to our casserole dish. We'll put 4 of them in, and then we'll start putting our mixture in. About like there. And we'll fill the rest of them too. Then we'll preheat our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we'll add some hot water about halfway up the ramekins. Then we'll put it in the center rack of the oven and bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Then after about 35 minutes in our oven, the way you can kind of tell if they're done is if you move them around like this and they wobble. That's how you know it's set. Okay, now we're ready to move them over here into a cooler pan, and then we're going to cover them with plastic wrap and refrigerate them for 2 hours. And then we'll take it out and ready for the final step, caramelizing the sugar. Here's the key part with our torch, just a cooking torch. You can get these from a lot of places. And we'll caramelize the sugar. We're just looking for like a gold amber type of a color. It smells really good. There's like a nice vanilla scent. Now this is the best part. You can crack it, it's like glass almost. And then we'll get some along with the custard. That is outstanding. Rich and creamy, really delicious. That is a perfect dessert that pairs with any meal. I really hope you guys get a chance to try this creme brulee. The recipe and ingredients are at the bottom of the video. Thanks very much to you guys for watching. Many thanks to Mom for her help running the camera. We've had such a good time making these French-style cooking episodes. They've been a lot of fun to make. And hope you join us in about a month from now, where we'll get into some classic Thanksgiving-style desserts. Until then, we'll say au revoir from the Tellow Family Kitchen.